Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the PEIPEI update today. So we have PEIPEI that is about to break above this little bit of resistance. So I'm actually going to drop in that resistance line and show you what's going on. So we have the current situation looks like this for PEIPEI, and we are just about to break above and go to the upside one time. Now, hopefully, if you do break above, you have a huge technical target coming up, which is going to be 22,000, I guess, and that's going to be a huge price increase of nearly an 86%. So decision is coming until the end of the month, which is actually 30th of September. And as far as I'm concerned, we're really printing some incredible bullish divergences here, which is actually pretty good. You have the flat line, you have the RSI moving to the upside. All we need right now is just a break above and actually go and continue to move all the way to the upside. Now, there's two things that I want to talk about. Number one, I want to help you out with this free coin that actually has the ability to do 5 to 10x in the next coming bull run. So I'm actually talking about a 12 months time frame. So keep in mind 12 months time frame, and if you can actually go from 1k to 10k within 12 months, I think it's totally worth it, because I mean, come on, you're getting $9,000 in profit in this, right? So it's going to take time. It's a holding coin, and it's actually a good idea because bull run is about to come, and I personally think you're not buying the top anymore. You're buying the absolute bottom, right? It took me a lot of time to research this coin, and also it's actually an amazing project, just similar to Chainlink and Matic, and it's like a layer one kind of a project, and it has been in crypto for a long time, and I think it's in the top 50 as well. So it's not just a shit coin or a meme coin. It's a coin with a real project. The next thing is, you're going to have to message me on Discord, by the way, for this. So if you're not on Discord, comment Discord and I'm going to give you the invitation link. So I have created a 3 months offer for the very first time because Q4 is believed to be really good in crypto. I mean, in Q4, what you can expect is a lot of investors to buy, a lot of volume in the market, okay? And it's important that I tell you that normally you would have paid $30 for 3 months, right? But this time I'm actually giving $25 because I want to see you into the private with me for the next 3 months so that we can have some good trade. And I'm going to divide two things. I'm going to tell you how much you're going to hold the mystery coin that I have, and also I'm going to divide the other portion of your money for short-term trades in the Q4. So that's all for the video, and hopefully we see you there, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.